Hi everyone, this is me Atini. Welcome to our next chemistry lecture of second year first chapter, that is chapter number 13, S&P block element, in lecture number 8. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about hydroxide of period 3 element, short topic, small, and as well as our main topic in this lecture, that is group first element plus its atomic and physical properties of first element. So first of all, hydroxide. What is hydroxide? Hydroxide mean OH. Clear? OH is hydroxide. Clear? OH, that is called hydroxide. So let's see its few points I will deliver. The hydroxide of sodium and magnesium mean the sodium and magnesium, that is sodium hydroxide we can say, and magnesium hydroxides are basic. They are in basic, not acidic. They are basic. They are white hygroscopic crystalline solution. They are in the form of crystalline, that is hygroscopic crystalline solution form. They are present, sodium hydroxide and as well as magnesium hydroxide. Next point, sodium hydroxide is highly soluble in water, but magnesium hydroxide is slightly soluble in water due to OH bond. Clear? Sodium hydroxide is more soluble, but magnesium hydroxide is less soluble. Sodium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide react with DIL, means dilute HCl. Whenever they react with dilute HCl, which kind of compound they produces, such as sodium hydroxide, whenever they react with HCl they produce sodium chloride plus water, and as well as magnesium hydroxide with HCl produces magnesium chloride plus water. And third one, that is ammonium hydroxide. Whenever they react with HCl, it produces ammonium trichloride plus water, and ammonium chloride, it is colorless compound. The hydroxide of silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine, such as silicon oxide and H3PO4, that is phosphorus acid, and H2SO4 sulfuric acid, they are in acidic form. Clear? They are in acidic form. They are not in basic because they are near to argon. That's why, as we discussed in our last lecture, whenever they are near to argon, so they show their covalent characters. So that's why in molecules form, so that's why they are acidic in this. So this was hydroxide of period 3 elements. Clear? So our main topic, that is group first element in this lecture. Group first element, the element of group first include group first element, group A, that is alkali metals. Here we will discuss about alkali, and as well as alkali metals is taken from where, and its elective and conductivity, and as well as their active, how they are active or not, they can form compound or not. These we will discuss here. First, they are the element of the group first A include lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. They are known as alkali metals. Why they are called alkali metals? The word alkali has been taken from an Arabic word, that is ashes. Clear? From Arabic words that is taken from ashes. The compound of sodium and potassium are isolated from the ashes of wood. Whenever you burn the wood, so the thing which remain, that is called ashes. So that's why they are taken, that sodium and potassium, from the isolated from the wood. Whenever you burn, so they are taken from there. Clear? Next one, they are more active element in the periodic, means they are more active. That's why they can react easily. They can easily reduce their electron, means they make positive ions to give one electrons to from the outermost shell. So here they are seeing they are more active, and as well as their other members. They stored in oil. They are present in oil, kerosene, to prevent their reaction. Prevent their reaction from where? With the water and oxygen and water in air. In air they prevent their reaction with water and oxygen. Next one, they are good conductor of electricity, means they have free electrons. That's why electron can easily carry, and electron can easily can pass here. They are found in combined state, not in the element state. How? Like in combined state, they always, like sodium and hydroxide and as well as magnesium, they are in combined state, not in free state like argon. Clear? So that's why their outermost shell is not complete. They make compounds or molecules. So that's why they are not in free, they are in combined state. Next point, they are excellent reducing agent and and show oxidation state of +1. They are reducing agent, excellent, in good yes, we can say reducing agent, and show their oxidation state +1 means one electron they can release from their aftermost shell. So let's see atomic and physical properties of group first element. First atomic and physical property, that is strength in atomic radius. Clear? Atomic radius we discussed in our lecture number 2 of period 3 element, whenever we were discussing their physical and atomic properties, but the definition we discussed there. But here only we see their few points. First of all, the first atomic radius increases. The first atomic radius increases from where? From lithium to francium. Clear? To francium, their atomic size, atomic radius or atomic size increases. Why increases? As we move down the group from lithium to francium, down the group, whenever we move in a vertical column, reason shielding effect increases means their shell numbers are increases and force of attraction decreases between nucleus and outermost shell. Next trend, that is trend in ionization energy. Next physical properties, ionization energy, this as well we discussed there in lecture number 2, but here only we discuss their points. The ionization energy decreases down the group in predictables. Ionization energy also, here ionization energy decreases but atomic size increase. Clear? Shielding effect decreases. Why? Reason, atomic size increase, and second, force of attraction decreases, third, shielding effect increases. Next physical property, that is electronegativity, means attraction of shear period of electron. The electronegativity decreases down the group. Clear? Reason, atomic size increases. Next point, that is force of attraction decreases. And third point, here in its reason, shielding effect increases. Last, that is trend in melting at boiling points. So we'll see its melting at boiling point. Its melting at boiling point from lithium to francium is decreases. How? Like the first A have low melting point, M dot P mean melting point, and B dot P mean boiling point, due to the presence of weak metallic bond. Here weak metallic bonds are present in first group element, so that's why their melting and boiling points are low. In solid state, melting and boiling points decreases down the group. Down the group, their melting and boiling points decreases. Boiling point and as well as their melting point decreases down the group. Reason, increases atomic size, due to increase in atomic size. Next, that is force of attraction decreases and shielding effect increases. That's why melting and boiling point decreases. So our last one, that is last physical and atomic properties, that is density. Clear? That is trends in density. So this we will discuss in our next class, that is mass per unit volume. We will discuss in our next lecture, in lecture number 9. So plus one topic more there in our next lecture. So it is enough for today. So in today's class, I explained hydroxide of period 3 element and as well as first group element and shared with you. So see you. Thanks for listening my video, and share my video with your friend and as well as with your colleagues and your classmates. In our next lecture, in lecture number 9, we will discuss about first density, trends in density, and as well as reaction of first group element with water, oxygen, nitrogen, and as well as with carbonate and bicarbonate. This we will discuss in our lecture number 9. So see you. Thanks for listening. Share my video with your friends. Subscribe my channel Teenage Upside for more any videos.